Welcome to Shelf Secrets Revealed here at River City Cafe in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I'm here with Jeff King, General Manager of River City and Surfside. I'm Darren Lay, Director of Operations for the River City Cafe. Today we're going to show you how to build and make at home kitchen sink, which is going to be one of our Double Dog Dare burgers off of our menu. And when you see how we prepared this burger today, you'll understand why they call it the kitchen sink. To start the kitchen sink, we start with 2 premium patties. It's a blend of chuck sirloin, fresh, never frozen. It took us over 5 years of sampling different burgers to come up with this special blend of meats that we have currently. We top them with our own in-house River City blend that we created, a blend of spices. This brings out the flavors in the meat. The final product that'll come on is going to be on our buttered and grilled Artisan pretzel bun. We're going to start out with the ingredients for the kitchen sink. The reason we call it the kitchen sink, it has a little bit of everything we have to offer here. We're going to start out with our sweet Medea grilled onions. Again, those are seasoned with our special River City blend, grilled to perfection. And next we have fresh hand-cut mushrooms. We don't use a canned product. We use fresh mushrooms, hand slice them. Again, those are seasoned as well. And then we have fresh cut jalapeno peppers. And then we use #1 premium hickory smoked bacon. These are the ingredients that are going to end up being topped onto the burger. All right, these are our colossal onions. This is what we're going to top off the burger with. We take a whole onion, slice off the ends, and then cut it down the middle. And that's when we separate the onions. And we pop the center smaller rings out. And that's what we use for our grilled onions off of the onions. First, we place this in a pancake batter mix. And then we coat it with a panko breader. A 2-ounce ladle of our homemade medium hot Texas chili, made in-house, fresh, daily. Next we'll be adding the grilled sweet Medea onions on the top of that. Next, our fresh hand-cut mushrooms. Then our hand-cut fresh jalapeno peppers, topped off with our hickory smoked premium bacon. Now to hold all this together, we're going to need to smother it with Swiss and cheddar cheese, so that when the shredded cheese melts down over it, it holds the ingredients onto the patty. Otherwise, when you took your first bite, it's going to all crumble off and fall to the side. So the cheese actually is the glue that helps hold it together. It comes all the way, which is lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, mustard, onion, pickle, a normal little wood frill toothpick. So we use a steak knife to hold the ingredients onto the bun. Also, we have our fries. This is something that we've prided ourselves on for years. We hand cut all the fries, never frozen. Serve with our hand cut fries, seasoned with sea salt and our homemade fresh slaw. And this is a kitchen sink.